For Best Actor, we have a tie. Do you have anyone guess? Please shout who your guests. Sino po? Ano, Max? Babasahin naman natin po kasi lang mag-cheer para sa atin.
I think you should go ahead and do it.
Ha? Sino? Okay. For the famous Best Actor.
Arjun Laige. Opa.
Congratulations, Arjun.
Wala ko siguro masasanay sa ganito. Kinakabahan ako ng sobra, nahihiyak. Meron lang pong hinandang kode ko para walang makalimutan, just in case. Una po sa lahat, sa FAMAS, maraming salamat for the recognition. Magbibigay pansin sa aming kakayahan sa lahat po ng ginawa namin sa TOPA. Sa mga sundalo po, sa magbibigay inspirasyon para magawa itong storya na to. Hindi lahat na may topak naman eh. We are all unique in our own ways. Most of the time misunderstood. To anyone and to everyone who is experiencing mental health issues, know that you are loved and you are never alone. To our 3 producers, Nathan Studios, Rodogs, and Fusey Media, thank you for believing in me. To Direk Richard, maraming salamat. The captain of the ship, nandiyan po si Direk, maraming salamat, Direk. We don't work for this, but we work to tell a good story, and this is what happened. To my co-actors, of course, Julia, Sid, to the whole gang, maraming salamat. Thank you for making your lives easier on the set. To my parents, I love you so much, and of course, to my wife, thank you, Papa, I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. And just a short message. This award will serve not just a source of this award will serve as another source of inspiration for me to do better every time I face a new chapter. And may everyone in this pavilion continue to be soldiers of the industry. Huwag po tayo magsawang bigyang kulay pa, inspirasyon at direksyon ang ating industriya. Patuloy po natin suportahan ng pelikulang Pilipino. Sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat, and may everyone have a good evening.
Congratulations.